Hey everyone, and welcome back to Small YouTuber Success. I'm Christina Marie, and for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to start a YouTube channel. So if you're somebody who has wanted to start a channel for a while now, but you haven't really known how to start, or you haven't had the courage to start, this is the video for you. I'm gonna be walking you guys through the steps that it takes to actually make your YouTube channel, and also going through some tips that will help get your channel off the ground. So if this sounds good, you're interested, and you're ready to start your YouTube channel, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be showing you is how to create a channel from scratch. So you're going to want to go to Google and then click sign in up in the right hand corner, and then you're going to come to create an account. So you're going to want to create a new Google account for yourself, and you're going to just fill in all of this information that they have listed here. So your name and then whatever you want your email to be that's linked to your YouTube account. So I just put in something random, and then you're going to go on and fill out everything that they want you to. You're going to go down and agree to all of the terms, and once you hit agree, you're going to go to YouTube. So you're going to type in YouTube in the search bar, and this is where you're going to actually create your channel. So what you're going to do once you get to YouTube is you're going to go up to the top right hand corner, click on that little circle, and then view channel. So you don't have a channel as of yet, but right now is when you're creating it. So you want to put in whatever name you want to come up on your YouTube channel. So I'm just typing in Christina Marie with capital letters and then create channel. Yay, now that your channel is created, you're going to want to customize it and make it a little bit nice and fancy. So you can edit your channel art by clicking that button right there, and all you're going to do is click right here so that you can search for the banner that you want to use in your computer. So I'm just using the one that I use for Small YouTuber Success. I'm uploading it, and then another thing that you can do is adjust the crop. So if it's not looking quite like you want it, you can adjust it a little bit, or you can go back and kind of make some adjustments in your editing app. So once you upload it, it looks really good. Your channel is looking more professional because you have a banner. Another thing you're going to want to do is upload a profile picture. So just click on the little pencil on your avatar, and it's going to bring you back to the Google homepage. So you're going to pick whatever picture you want to be your main profile picture, and just like the banner, you can kind of adjust the crop a little bit and then upload it. And once you see that there on the Google page, you can go back to YouTube and refresh it, and then you should see your new YouTube profile picture. Now we're going to click on Video Manager, and it's going to bring us to this page. So we're going to go down to Other Features and then scroll until we see the monetization button. So you're going to want to go through all of these steps so that we can at least get a start on the monetization process. Now you're going to want to go back to your main channel, click on Video Manager again, and then go down to Other Features. Here you're going to find Status and Features, and this is where you're going to want to verify your channel. So it's important to verify your channel so that you can get access to other features such as customizable thumbnails. So this is going to allow you to actually make a really nice thumbnail to put on your videos rather than having YouTube just choose one for you. Alright guys, so now that I've walked you through kind of the logistics of how to start your channel, now it's time for your very first video. So what I suggest doing for your first video on your channel is an introduction video. So of course this channel is new, and if you go back to my very first video that I just uploaded last week, it was an introduction to my channel. So what I really wanted was for people who hadn't found the channel yet, when they finally do come to Small YouTuber Success, they can see a little introduction of me, who I am, and what the channel is going to be about. So once you film this video and you upload it on your channel, you can make it your channel trailer. So what this means is that when new people come to your channel, this is the first video that's going to play automatically, which is really good because it gives your viewers a really quick decision of if they want to subscribe or not. The video starts to play right away, and then your viewers kind of get a sense of who you are in the first few seconds of being on your channel. This next tip I have for you is really going to help get your YouTube channel off the ground. When I first started my channel, I didn't realize how hard it is for people to actually find your channel. I thought you just uploaded a video on the internet, all of a sudden you have hundreds of people coming to your channel, subscribing, watching your videos, but unfortunately that is not how it works. There is so much content on YouTube that it can be really hard for people to find you in the sea of content creators and YouTubers. So what you're gonna wanna do is tell as many people as you can about your YouTube channel. So tell all of your family, your friends on Facebook, all of your other social platforms, and then hopefully you'll get some more traffic to your channel, you'll get a few more subscribers, and with the more views and thumbs up you get, the easier it is for YouTube to suggest you in the algorithm and suggest you to other people. So then in turn, your channel gets more traffic and it continues to grow. The next step that is really important when you're creating a YouTube channel that will hopefully be successful is to create a filming and upload schedule. So I don't know how many people have started a YouTube channel and then they just kind of forget about it, or it falls to the wayside when they're trying to do a whole bunch of other stuff. They forget to film, they don't upload consistently, and this can be really detrimental to your channel because the algorithm loves when people upload consistently. So I actually have a free content calendar listed in the description box below. If you guys want to go to my website and sign up for my email list, you will get a free content calendar that will help you plan out all of your videos and help you schedule when you're going to be filming, editing, and uploading all of that important stuff. So YouTube is a lot of work, that's no secret, but I find it really easy to have a routine, and that makes it a lot more manageable to upload on my channels. So for my main channel, I always upload on Sundays. So what I like to do is do the majority of my filming on Mondays throughout the week, and then all of the other days I do a little bit of extra filming and then my editing so that my video is ready to go up every single Sunday. And this routine really helps me just stay on top of all of my YouTube content, and it makes it easier because you know what you're supposed to be doing on what days. All right, everyone, that's gonna be it for this week's video. I really hope you liked it, and I hope it gave you some tips to finally start your YouTube channel. I cannot wait to see all of your success. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also hit the red subscribe button if you like this video and you wanna see more. I have my Twitter, Instagram, website, all of that stuff linked down below for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!